Alright guys, welcome back. So today I want to go over how to fix a loose plug-in. As you can see, this is pretty wobbly. As you can see, the power is still on, but this whole thing just wiggles side to side. The whole plug is actually loose as well. So I'm just going to go over how to tighten that. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'm running out of video ideas, so if you guys could drop me some in the comments below, that would be great. So far tomorrow I have the only idea I have for tomorrow that I actually kind of want to do is going over financial stuff for young people in the trades, just how to save money and stuff like that. I don't really have anything planned out for it yet, but if that's something you're interested in, I know there's a couple people interested in that. If you think that's something you'd want to see, say yes or no in the comments below. But otherwise, drop me a different idea so I can do that for you, because I'm running out of ideas. But I do have a few others that I could go off of, like what power tools I own and what power tools I use as an electrician. Might have gone over that before, but I can't remember. As you can see, this whole thing is just moving on the bottom, moving on the top. It's quite a mess. It is slightly crooked too, so one way to fix that, it's kind of leaning towards the wall, so you can just kind of push on this a little bit and that'll even it out, because you kind of want it parallel with the wall, or perpendicular. No, you know what I'm saying. You want it going flush with the wall. These tabs look pretty straight for the most part. If the plug was bent in, then you would kind of want to take the screws out and then bend them back. Or if there was no backing, like sheetrock right here, you would want to use some kind of spacer to give it some physical support. But these look like they are in pretty good condition, so I'm just kind of want to just slowly tighten this with my flat screwdriver. As you can see, that one's pretty tight now on the bottom. And then you want to, I planned on taking this out, but I guess I don't really need to, so this might be a dumb video, but it is what it is. You just kind of want to put your level on that, and once you level this straight, then the plate will be straight, so just remember that. So that looks pretty good right there. Kind of sucks when it's magnetic, so that's still pretty good. Whoa, try not to stick my screwdriver in here because the power is still on and I don't want to blow anything up, but it should be connected in the back, so I probably shouldn't have to really worry about that. So now that that's level in the bubble, I always give it a double check. It ain't going anywhere. Solid. And then yeah, it looks pretty decent, flush to the wall, straight wise. And why you want to do that is because once you stick the cover on, you can see if it's leaning one way, then you're going to be able to see that on the plate, like this gap will be bigger than that gap, and you just want it even all the way around. So you want your gap even on the top, on this side to this side, and then going vertical up and down, you want to go in the same gap on the top and bottom. So just something to keep an eye out when you're doing stuff like this, just to make it look good. Quality, get some quality work going. I think there's just some dust on that. And then this screw doesn't feel like it's going in. Like the screwdriver's too big or something for some reason. I'm trying not to rip the paint off of this, but for some reason this screwdriver feels too big on the top screw. That is very weird. So I'm kind of just barely grabbing it. But basically what electricians do is keep the screws straight up and down. Depending on the plug, if it's sideways, you kind of want the screws to go sideways. But when you're going up and down, you want the screws to go straight up and down. And that'll pretty much do it. So pretty much even gap on the top right there, and then on the side as well is pretty perfect. So that's what you do. And then when you throw your level on it, because you already leveled the side of it, it's going to be pretty much perfect in the bubble again. So that is how you tighten a plug, if you're wondering, any homeowners out there. But if you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if this helped you. If you enjoyed it, want to see more videos, thanks again for 2,000 subscribers, guys. That's awesome. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Drop a video idea in the comments below. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Don't forget to check the description. I have a giveaway going as well. If you want to check that out, my last video. If you want to enter to win, $40. And then hit the notification bell if you want to. Thanks, guys. Peace out.